Wala na, tagal-tagal nun. Tak lang.
Ang technical foul ang hiningayin for proper wearing of uniform. Dalawang jersey number 11.
Tapos sawan.
Patay pag-uwan mo. Kawan.
Ooh!
3-1-0. Agad.
Wala, hindi ko magaling.
Rogliano. Intercepted. Martinez, stop and chase.
Saan yung papa na ulo?
Ipit lang yun eh.
Ay, yung papa na ulo. Gagawin ko ngayon. Yan, napawala ng baka.
Almeno. Bibigyan ng screen ni Juliano. Pwede Sito. Salamejo. Feedback, Peter.
Delikado.
Hoy, fake nyo. Nasa na Felipe. Siaka. Salaman, Brian, Luis Roque. Wala pa rin. Shot clock down to 14. Intercepted. Manova, 6-0. Number 11 pass to jersey number 2, Julian, slashing in the middle. Para jersey number 8, Lazaro, pushing foul, Person Lazaro. 16 on the shot clock. One to shoot. 10. Rivero. Bailón. Wala pa rin. The scores 5-2. Bailón. Time on the shot clock, intercepted.
Uy!
Okay, same ball possession. Number 29, Bautista. Martini, time to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Lazaro. Shot clock winding down. And every rider by Juliano. Number 2, Juliano intercepted. Deadlock all time. 5 minutes and 8 seconds. Martin take Martin slashing. 2 points for Martin. 45 minutes. 13 to shoot, panglamang wala. Same ball, 13 on the shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 to shoot sa laban. Pull-up jumper. Again. Julian, underneath, tatlong nakabantay, 4. 8 to shoot. 5. Goal for 3 seconds. Violation.
Andun si Kuya, ano,
3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Kuya Ingo.
Ready to shoot. 10. Martin Paes. Nice pass. Agustin. Control. Good luck. Bigay ko sa ilalim kay Lazaro. Lazaro. Reverse. 2 points from Lazaro. Just go 9, 7, 3 minutes and 35. Long time. It's good. James Cooper. Mamerga. 13 to shoot. Dapat Mamerga. Listen on the field. 3 minutes 17 seconds. Thailand. Solomon 13 to shoot. Another try again. Nandun sa foul. O number 11. Sinong 11, sir? Ati Julian Persa Julian. And the first team foul. Exactly 3 minutes. To shoot. Martin Villalua Sablay. Nabitawan sa Lubon. Thailand trying to shoot. Thailand. Ejected. Holding foul for San Bautista and a 17 foul. Final out for Agustino. Shot clock reset at 14 seconds. Again. 10 to shoot. Solomon, pangatlo. Wala. Subdivision. Bautista for Calidoso. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. 10 to shoot. 3 points. Attend. 3 points. 13-11. Exactly 2 minutes. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Pang-apat. Time-out. Centro. 1 minute 38. Number 20, the team captain. First to first kick out to Brian Young. Julian Collection. Basket down for the jersey number 11. Ang second ng Julian. Julian down for Julian. For shot. 32 seconds. 32. For shot again. 30 seconds. Agustin. 35 seconds. 30 to shoot. Julian. Drive. 10 to shoot. Julian. Nabunayan. Mabubuta kay Lazaro. At may foul tayo doon para jersey number 27. First on Julian. Entering for the penalty, 22 seconds, 22. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Martin, 15 seconds. Down to 10 inside, 2 players. 8 seconds. 5. Wait for the buzzer. I think that's the end of our first quarter.
Cut.
Ang bago na ball game second quarter. Pagkakatang ibigitang laban ng sentro. Martina. Shot clock 16. May 3 seconds violation. Jersey number 10 of Steve. Julian. Intercepted. Lazaro.
Sumabit pa yung kamay niya.
Mabasa isa kalamangan. Agustin. Shot clock 13. 10 to shoot. Another interception. Martin, pinagpagang distensya. Gerardon. Ayan na si Julian. Agustin. Sullivan. Ano na ba interception?
Ulit.
At may foul tayo dyan para jersey number 4, Ramales holding foul, unang foul. 6:08 time remaining. Ready to shoot. Bunyano. Paulina. Bola.
Tumamig na.
Mamerga. Hinaharas ng tatlo. Lazaro. Ready to shoot. Pulot jumper. Mapupunta kayo number 8, Panagla, wala pa rin. 5 minutes 20. Juliano. Same ball possession. Mamerga, bibigyan ng arrest by Bautista, 15 on the shot clock, 15 to shoot. Shot clock 15 seconds. Inside first. Ramones, 10 to shoot. Ball intercepted. Bautista. 5 minutes. 10 to shoot.
Nawakan niya.
Liliay basketball.
Bigay na, bigay na, bigay na.
Rebound on Martin. Martin defense. Tayo. Liliay. Ang time remaining 4 minutes and 22 seconds. Number 4, Ramalas. Roberto. Pagkakataon gawin ang kalamangan ng sentro.
Ikaw.
Binigay ang Bautista. Bautista. James Hoover. It's not in 4 minutes. Time to shoot. Juliano Rinaldo. 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Butter.
30 to shoot. At naaga ang isang sila ng bola. Kaso dito, papupunta kay Lazaro.
Batap yan.
Ating bakit tayo siyang point of origin. Agustina and Ramalas. And Juliana, pakipag-in gusto nyo yan.
Hindi ko yun ang kwala. Alam mo sa
Bailen, 10 on the shot clock. Julian baseline drive, Pinoy step na good.
Pinoy step.
Lazaro. Kali Peso. Ito.
Mane. After.
Bailen. Shot clock 13. Salaman Miguel. Juliana Ibeto. Nice pass to Bailen. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 2, Julian substitution. Lazaro will be given a rest by Mamerga first on jersey number 2, Julian. Mamerga. Intercepted. Julian up in the range. Robinson, Julian, pagkakataon ng takya. At may kasamatang foul. Basket count on the jersey number 8, Lazaro, accidentally hitting the hole. Substitution. Calibosa for Lazaro, second on number 8, Lazaro. Ball shot. Ball shot na ready ball ng sentro, 1 minute and 52 seconds.
Malaki yung ano ko ah. Lambo ko lang palaka.
Number 20 Martin. Shot clock 14. Count to 10, Martin penetrate the points for Martin. 1 minute 30 seconds. Solomon gustong pumawi. Binigay kay Bailon, pang lamang, wala pa rin. Time to shoot. Solomon, wala pa rin. Solomon ilapot.
Boy, basta nakatawa dyan. Wala nga sa kanina pa yan, no?
Time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds. This is our first sub. Official score 23 to 26. Mamerga, wala rebound. Put back there by Lazaro short. 50 seconds. Solomon, umatake na naman. 2 points for Solomon. 40 seconds. Bautista. Inside. Intercepted. 30 seconds. Bailon, 25 seconds. 13 to shoot. Jump shot ahead. 15 seconds. Mamerga. Wala pa rin. 10 seconds. 8. 5. Julian fade. Julian drive. Denied. I think that's the end of our first half. Check it out, 28 all. Julian, isolation play, bibitaw sa press. Wala rebound on Martin. All 28. Shot clock 14. Time to shoot. Down to 8. 1-2 to points on Mamerga. Julian. 13 on the shot Solomon, nakalusot, wala na ito. Rampel, Linguray, basketball. Number 20, Martin, shot clock 13. Tied for good. And Steve. Bangladesh. Solomon. Shot clock 12, Solomon. Para na panyaran, Brandon Paul, subdivision. Bautista po ang Caldoso. Panamalan po guys, kay Valentino.
Bembang.
5 minutes by Nan Kluber. Nahuli. Control side of the screen. Timeout Central. 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Number 2 Mamerga bringing down the level. Kailangan nakasan din ang naman Juliano. Versi naman po Julian Tijay. Division. Four minutes and 25. Number 20 Martina Tijay. Wala Lasana. Nagano. It's foul.
Ba't din niya sinundan?
Para naman.
Ba't din niya
27
sinundan?
second on Riano, 2 shots on Lazaro.
Ngayon ko nga nakalala yun eh.
Tunay ka mambo.
Tercer good.
Bok!
35-24.
Davidan? Sino? Jerome?
Dennis Antonio. Long time ago. Time to shoot it. 5 to shoot it. May quick foul tayo doon. Foul ko na Bintino, steal, legal niya sa pen. Panginoon out for steal. And the 13 foul, Lingay.
Magpatay ka man rin.
Baka pinamumulan na ka mabuto.
Number 20, Martina. Shot clock 14, Calibeso. Monitor second. Solomon Hans. 37-34. Lazaro pang-anim na press, wala. Finish the play. Julian runs again, wala pa rin. Number 2 na Pastor, number 20, Martin. Paul na nabigyan sa yan. Pushing foul, pangatlo na yan.
Hindi. Wala tayong liga. Wala tayong liga. Gagalingan mo ba? Oh, summertime. Sa akin na summer.
Hinaharas isinilay na kalusot. Namarga sa gitna, reverse na isa po. Juliano. Benito. Shot clock 16. Grab to shoot sa naman. Again. Yes, Apollo. Basket count. Polo jersey number 7. Accidentally hitting the head. Person Solomon. Ball shot on Mamelga. With the total of 3.3, 1 minute 22 seconds. Shot clock 17. 40 to shoot. Solomon drive. Belgrade. Exactly 1 minute. Nice pass. 15 seconds. 25 seconds. Shot clock 15. Pang-pita ni Solomon. Wala. Rebound by Lazaro. 35 seconds. Martina. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Agustin. 20 seconds, 20 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Solomon, drive. Solomon, wala pa rin. 10 seconds.
Motor lang ako, palpal.
5. Mamerga. Kalabanan talaga. Sino pa naman?
Hoy!
Happy together.
Single.
Jeric na magpas.
Time to shoot.
Napaka natin sila.
Wala ko yung interception by Centro. Good. Ang senior. Yung sila ng tuhong niyan. Wala pa rin. Turnover.
Wala na ba na tama?
Nakukulong ka? Nagdara? Nagdara?
Seven minutes to play. Another interception by Centro. Bautista. Number 3 Lázaro. Intercepted by Steve Vidal. Pass. Solomon.
Bam!
42-41. Lamang ang isang Lilian. One second.
Motor lang matalino. Ito lang
Doon pa rin ang inbound, walang nakatouch. 14 shot clock po yan. 42-41, 14 shot clock. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 6 minutes and 30. Solomon, good trigger again. Rebound pa rin ang Linglingayan. Wala rebound ang Chelsea na magsumalarga. May call. Ang sportsmanlike foul, Chelsea number 2.
Diyan mapagkain.
Ang 21 by Chelsea playing the ball.
Lawlawa. Pagkain lawlawa kayo.
2 shots plus ball possession.
Di balay?
Supply ang una. High score natin 22-all.
Jay mo lang nga, Jay.
Scoreboard.
Jay mo lang.
13 shot lang. Again.
Parang gantuman lang.
Humigay-gay na babitin ang Steve Panglamaya. 2 points. 24-42.
Boy!
Ibang mga talo.
Masero. Shot clock 13. Revedo. Time to shoot.
Late ka naman.
Nelson Lazaro. Shot clock 15. Juliano. Revedo. Pagkakataong itakla ng sentro. Ang Tizaw nakalusot, binigay kay Mamanga para naman na tira. Wala. Tagla, Tizaw, ang Bautista.
Late ka naman.
46.
Late ka naman.
Nakatulog ako. Wala yung scoreboard.
Eh,
Shot clock 13. Agustin, bibitaw sa 3. Wala pa rin. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Habang sa bola. Single possession, hindi na the shot clock. 4 minutes 36. Bautista. Binigay ka ng Mamerga, 14 to shoot. Pass to Bautista. 10 to shoot. Lazaro, pero 3 Lazaro. 2 points. Coach Tito.
apat versus na mo. Sino yung apat? Sino yung apat? Mga taga-irrigasyon.
Official score, 28-36.
Hindi ka
Laban ng Center. Parehas hindi isang time out.